Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Notion versus Obsidian to help you decide which is better for your needs. Notion is a versatile, all-in-one workspace, perfect for managing notes, tasks, and projects collaboratively in the cloud. Obsidian, on the other hand, is a powerful knowledge base that stores your notes locally as plain text markdown files, emphasizing personal knowledge management and interconnected ideas. We'll explore their unique strengths. Notion truly shines as a collaborative hub. Its highly customizable database system allows you to build almost anything, from simple to-do lists to complex project trackers. You can easily share pages with team members, setting precise permissions. Notion also supports embedding a wide variety of content, making it a central repository for all your information. It offers hundreds of templates to kickstart your workflows efficiently. Obsidian offers unparalleled control over your data, storing everything locally in Markdown. Its unique graph view visually maps the connections between your notes, helping you discover new insights and build a robust personal knowledge graph. With a vibrant community, Obsidian boasts hundreds of plugins, extending its functionality far beyond basic note-taking. This allows for deep customization, tailoring the experience precisely to your workflow. So, which tool is right for you? If you need an all-in-one solution for team collaboration, project management, and structured data, Notion is likely your best bet. However, if you prioritize local data ownership, personal knowledge management, and a highly customizable, text-based system for interconnected ideas, then Obsidian will serve you better. Consider your primary use case to make the best choice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.